What's up guys, it's the Brick Public, back here again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your Lego Kashyyk Clones, or 41st Elite Corps, or however you say it. I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade them in this video. These are the two figures I'm using, the Phase 2 Camo Clone and the Scout Camo Clone. I'm calling them Camo Clones, or Kashyyk Clones. We'll start off with this, the Phase 2, and let's get started with the video. So these are the pieces you're going to need for this figure. So what you're going to want to do is take the head off along with the helmet, and take the legs and the torso part. Take this thicky bricky black waist cape, or a camo waist cape if you have one. So you just add that on. Jonak Toys heavy strap. Add that on. Just like that. Add the helmet back on, and then grab a Clonery Customs olive green visor. And there you go. That's the figure. And I also have a little minigun here that I'm gonna build. Grab this little handle piece here, a little stud, connect them together, grab a stud shooter, connect them just like that. Add this little piece here, and then add this little Technic piece here. And there's the minigun finished. If you've seen some of my other videos, I've probably used this minigun a lot. So you add on to the figure, and that's this figure done. A jungle heavy. So let's do the other figure. So these are the pieces you're gonna need for this figure. Same as the last figure. Take the head off and the legs and torso part. Thicky bricky black comma waist cape, however you call it. Add that on just like that. Put the torso back on the figure. Add this brown cape, or any cape you want that seems like it'd be camo, brown, green, anything like that. Add this backpack or back stud piece, I don't know what to call it. Add that on the figure just like that. Flip the figure around. Grab this slope piece and this clip piece, connect them together, and put it on the back. Take a sniper and this Technic pin, add them together, and then connect it to the backpack. So, something that you should do is, this cape is like really far out. So what you can do is take the cape, take it like, kind of like grab it, push it back towards the end, like towards the back of the figure like this. Take your sniper, connect it, and the sniper will kind of hold it in place so it doesn't look like it's like out that far, but it's kind of out, but it still looks cool. Add the helmet, and there you go. This is kind of like what I thought is like kind of like a sniper clone, or a clone that would hide in the bushes to snipe droids. So let's go to the outro. So there are the figures done. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. By the time we're recording this video, we are super close to 750 subscribers. That's crazy. We're like less than 100 We're 670 subs, so we're really close. Yeah, comment down below any Legion suggestions you want me to do next. I have 187th clones prepared. I just don't have the set as of right now, but, yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.